Keep liking and sharing my videos as we are going to delve into our third episode of our computer basics. Let's go.
In today's episode, we are going to talk about the definition of computer. We are going to define data. We give some examples of data. We're going to define information. We are going to name the 5 commandments of computer ethics. There are 10 commandments, but we are going to focus on 5 because of time. And we're going to name some computer terms. So, the definition of computer. A computer is a programmable electronic device that processes raw data into useful information. Or we can also say a computer is an electronic device that stores and manipulates information. Data can be defined as a raw materials or unprocessed fact. Examples of data are words, numbers, pictures, and symbols. Information. Information can be defined as a fact provided or something told. So this takes us to the 10 commandments of computer ethics. As I said, we are going to focus on only 5. So number 1 says, thou shalt not use a computer to harm other people. So we should not use our computer to harm other people. That is beyond the computer ethics. Number 2 says, thou shalt not interfere with other people's computer files. So we should not interfere with other people's computer files. In case we are using one PC, 3 of us are using one PC, because my brother's account is not protected, so I have to interfere into his own files. No, that is not good. You need to take permission before interfering into other people's computer files. Number 3 says, thou shalt not use a computer to steal. This one is very important. So we should not use a computer to steal, as it is beyond computer ethics. Number 4, thou shalt not use a computer to bear false witness. So if you have been doing it, you need to stop. You should not use a computer to bear false witness. It is beyond a computer ethics. Number 5 says, thou shalt not use other people's computer resources without compensation. So we need to compensate people for their resources they provide for us. Like for example, those that provide software that we are using today, we compensate them. So this takes us to the computer terms. So computer terms are commands and instructions that causes a computer to perform a task. So some of these computer terms are floppy disk. So a floppy disk is a flexible disk that stores computer data. A floppy disk is a flexible disk that stores computer data. Number 2 is font. As we all know, we have fonts. We have font size, different font size, and so when we go to Word, we are going to understand this. So we say a font is the types of styles available on a computer. So we go to hardware. What is hardware? Hardware is any parts of a computer system that we can see and touch. Hardware. So a mouse is a handheld device that's used to make or select item on a computer screen. We go to boot. To boot means to start a computer. So today we learn this today. When they say boot the computer, it means to put it on. So boot means starting the computer. So this is what I have for you for this time, for this moment. So we are going to delve into Word, Excel, PowerPoint as time goes on. So thank you very much for watching my videos. I appreciate you all.